Start menu randomly closes automatically by itself after click on it. Learn quick steps to fix Start menu issues on Windows, from crashes to unresponsiveness. Let's solve it now. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Go to Personalization, and then click on Start. Now turn on the option Use Start Full Screen. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Search for PowerShell in the search bar. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. When prompted, click Yes. Copy the first command from the video description, paste it into PowerShell, and press Enter. Then, copy the second command from the description, paste it, and press Enter. Once done, type Exit and press Enter to close PowerShell. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Go to Apps, and look for the Photos app. Click on Advanced Options. Here, first click Terminate, and then click Reset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.